Good evening and welcome to the Oak Park Activities Complex. We're at Oak Park High School in Kansas City. Tonight's Hy-Vee High School game of the week, Suburban Red Conference football, as we've got number 18, North Kansas City, taking on district rival number 16, Oak Park.
Let's be the highest character football team in the city. Let's be the football team in the city that is demonstrating more class, more energy, more passion, more effort than any other team. We do that. Wins and losses don't matter. What's the only difference between a win and a loss? Winning's more fun. All right? But other than that, we're here to learn the lessons about life. We're here to demonstrate discipline. We're here to demonstrate self-control, and we're here to demonstrate focus. And when we do those three things, the scoreboard doesn't matter. If we mean it when we do those three things, the scoreboard will be on our side, right? Let's go.
Time for the game!
I'm good.
I want him to run over here after he pulls it. Punt! Punt! Hey, here we go. Freeze. Hey, get on the ball! Get on the ball before they get lined up! Get on the ball! Before they get lined up! We jumped. You gotta be kidding me! Punt! Punt! You've got to be kidding me.
Stat off the left side, breaking free into the end zone, touchdown, Mackay Stanton.
Gant starting to pick up a little momentum here.
And the ball is on the field. The mesh point didn't work. Ball still loose. And it's covered up by North Kansas City, Jaden Browning. So we've reached halftime in this Suburban Red Conference matchup. Visiting team, a slim lead in a heated rivalry game.
Listen, nobody said it was going to be easy, right? One touchdown, we win the game. We're going to shut them out this half. We're going to shut them out. One touchdown, we will win this football game 7-6. You guys understand that, right? Every single play matters. Every single play matters.
And Junior up the middle, into the secondary. Marlin unleashing the beast now. Breaking tackles, fighting players, and finally ridden out of bounds. First and goal, running play to the right side, in there, touchdown, Evan Braxton, the junior.
Kick! This is big! This is big! Make the kick!
And this will be a 25-yard distant PAT. And it's low.
It went through.
And no good.
It didn't go.
The extra point is no good.
Big back's not out there. They'll give it to the little back, and second effort.
Oh, we got it.
We got it!
Out.
We're on it! We're on it! We're on
Oak
it!
Park football. His
Bradley.
lineman is pulling him, and then Bruce ripped it out, and Fields got it.
Let's go pro right. Greg, Iowa.
Third down. Hinkle, swing pass. Gant Jr. open. Gant Jr. to the end zone. And he's in. Touchdown. Oak Park. Marlon Gant Jr.
One.
Pass down the middle and incomplete.
What are our values, guys? Self-control, discipline, and focus. And winning is always what? Better than losing, and lots of fun. Great job, fellas. All right.
Well, the W flag is being raised at home tonight. Good tradition here for Oak Park.